Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Bukas, 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 meaning tomorrow. Bukas, 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 meaning open. Anak, 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 meaning son or daughter. Pamangkin, 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 meaning niece or nephew. Tita, 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 meaning aunt. Tito, 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 meaning uncle. Lola, 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 grandmother or an elderly woman. Lolo, lolo, meaning grandfather or an elderly man. Kuya, kuya, older brother or addressing a man you don't know. Ate, ate, meaning older sister, or it can also be used to address a woman you don't know. Bunso, bunso, meaning youngest sibling or youngest in the group. Siya, siya, meaning she or he. Sila, sila, meaning them or they. Kami, kami, meaning we or us. However, this one includes the speaker and excludes the person they are talking to. Tayo, tayo, meaning we or us, including the speaker and the person they are talking to. Pinsan, pinsan, meaning cousin. Mga pinsan, mga pinsan, mga pinsan, meaning cousins. Kayo, kayo. This is the plural of you, or this is also the polite way of saying you. Tao, tao, meaning person. Mga tao, mga tao, mga tao, meaning people. Kanila, kanila, meaning theirs. Kaklase, kaklase, meaning classmate. Katrabaho, katrabaho, meaning co-worker. Kakilala, kakilala, meaning someone you know. Hindi kakilala, hindi kakilala, hindi kakilala, meaning stranger. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!